Are you trying to decide if it makes sense to buy a home right now? I know mortgage rates look a little scary, as high as they are, but there are still two great reasons you may want to buy. Let me show you what I mean. This graph shows home price appreciation over the last 60 years. You might think home prices bounce up and down a lot, but look at the graph. In the long run, home values go up over time. Now look at this graph. It shows the increase in rents over the last 60 years. Rent has gone up steadily too. So if both typically rise, the question is, do you want to invest in yourself or invest in your landlord? Buying a home means investing in yourself. As your home's value goes up, you gain equity and you build net worth. Renting is just the opposite. It's money you'll never get back. If you're financially stable and can't afford a mortgage payment, and the household maintenance costs, buying a home has more long-term benefits for you. If you're ready to take advantage of the perks that come with home ownership, I'm here and happy to help. I'm Jim Starwell, leader of the Star Home Team at Better Homes and Gardens Real Estate. Give me a call today.